It doesn't make sense. They just throw these ionic columns in without anything else that matches the system. Well, you got to treat these like a system. You can't just take a specific column and not apply that to the rest of your building. Sometimes I see some old Australian homes that just look like a regular Australian home, but they want to spruce up the columns out the front. And as they do that, it just doesn't match. It doesn't make sense. They just throw these ionic columns in without anything else that matches the system. Second is to keep the column slender and disciplined. Don't make it too big. Thirdly, make sure that the capital is actually transitioning into the entablature rather than making it not match at all. So if you want to apply this into your house or into design of yours, just have to think about it. How can you apply this system? Stick to it. They knew what they were doing. It's beautiful. The way that we can bring beautiful back is by having a homage to the past, and I quite like the Ionic order. It's not quite as difficult as the Corinthian, but we'll go through that another day.